Naxos Music Library is the largest streaming audio database available through the libraries. Searching in Naxos is pretty straightforward. Usually you can find the recording you need by searching the title and the composer's name in the keyword search box at the top right of the page. For this example, let's look for the Clarinet Sonata in B-flat major by François Devienne. So I'll type Clarinet Sonata, Devienne, and hit enter to search. The results list will show you different albums that match your search terms. This first one looks like it has multiple Devienne clarinet sonatas, so I'll click on it to open the album. And then I can look through the track list to see if the one in B-flat major is included here. The name of the album is at the top of the page, and then the name of each piece is below in bold. If it's a piece with multiple movements like these, the different movements are listed in non-bold underneath the piece name. And here's the one we want, the Clarinet Sonata in B-flat major. Then click the checkboxes next to the tracks you want to listen to. So I can either click the one checkbox for the whole piece, or the boxes for the individual movements. Then click the play button at the top right of the page to actually play the piece. You can hide the player by clicking Hide Player at the top, or with this black pop-out arrow button at the left. You can hide the player with the music paused like this, or even while it's still playing. Sometimes Naxos albums also include liner notes. You'll find those at the left side of the album page. Here it's labeled Booklet. Just click the link to open the PDF. And I'm going to exit out of that and go back to the album page. In the Naxos left-hand menu, you can access lots of other features in the database, such as research resources like a music dictionary, work analyses, and study guides, and also playlists created by UHeart professors and by Naxos staff. You can even create a free account to create your own playlists and to access the free Naxos app for streaming on the go.